Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm doing commercial photography and I'm in my final year.
Hi, I'm Kelly and I'm also a third year commercial student. I chose to study at Plymouth College of Art because Plymouth's beautiful. I've lived in North Devon all my life and I wanted to stay by the sea. I really liked the fact that it was an arts college. I just thought you'd be able to collaborate more with other people.
I live in the southwest already, so I was already looking within the area and I liked how inclusive this place looked, and I've driven through Plymouth a lot and I've always noticed the building driving past, so it kind of just felt like somewhere I'd already pinpointed as being a good place to go.
I've always loved fashion, and so fashion photography was always like the route I wanted to go down, but I thought, you know, specialising in just fashion might limit me. So when I saw there was a commercial degree, I thought this will really widen like my future aspirations.
Yeah, mine was same, but slightly different because I've always wanted to do editorial photography, so I've always wanted to do stuff for magazines, but then always liked fashion as well. So it's really great that you get to dabble in all areas of it, because sometimes you think you want to do something and you try something else and you're like, actually, I'm trying to do the wrong thing, which was almost the case with fashion, but then kind of in third year I've developed going back to editorial, and you've kind of strongly stuck with fashion the whole way.
Yeah. I do a lot of fashion photography out on location, Dartmoor, the beach, and then currently for my final major project I'm doing more fine art, conceptual photography, exploring like theories such as feminism and the female gaze, and that's all stemmed from context lectures and everything, like my interest in that.
And they make you go heavy into theory as well, which is really good because it makes you think about what your photo is actually meaning to everyone else and how it's going to be perceived by everyone, which is why yours is so strong at the moment, because there's so much in it to unpack. I'm a bit different. I've got more of an editorial storytelling side. So I was doing more fashiony stuff last year, but I've switched to doing more documentary style stuff. So I'm visiting farms at the moment and different conservation projects around the southwest, which is great because you get to meet loads of new people and network ready for when you leave. We get taught enough in the 3 years to set us up when we want to leave, so that we've got so many notes on how to be freelance, how to do contracts, terms and conditions, everything, that even if you went travelling for a year or 2 or 3 and came back, you would still have all of that information ready for you to go. I mean, I want to go straight into doing freelance as well, which is really great because we get access to the AOP for another 3 years, which is really good if you're a photographer, and there's just a lot of support for when you leave.
We've just had a really great visiting lecturer about leaving, documentation, legal considerations, which is like really great to know about and prepare us a little bit.
Which is why this commercial course is so good. If you actually want to be making money with photography, it just gives you all of the tools to leave and be able to do that straight away and have every part of your business covered. I think it's exceeded my expectations. I had a bit of an existential crisis and thought I was never going to go to university, and then literally about 2 or 3 weeks before the course started, I was like, oh my God, I have to do something this year and I know what I want to do. So I was like, I'm just going to see if there's any clearing opportunities. And I just emailed straight away some of the lecturers and everyone was really responsive and really great. And they got me to come in for an interview and bring my portfolio pretty much straight away. I didn't really have much time to know what to expect, but considering that, it's just been absolutely incredible, and I don't think I could have made a better decision. I think if you're going to a big uni, it's probably quite overwhelming, whereas here you're just a very distinctive member of the cohort because there's only so many of us.
There's like 25 of us.
Really quick.
We work together all really nicely. It's a really good environment, and it's also nice because we have like crits and it's so small and intimate that like everyone can talk about their work and not feel judged.
It's good like
it's
that.
really comfortable, which is great. It's just going to be sad to leave.
I know.